So if you look at the piece that we just cut off, that just rolled off the edge of the, you know, desk here, it's dry. Like I said, mugwort takes a long time for it to really get wet. You would have to leave this in the water. Sometimes you leave this in the water for several minutes, take it out, cut it open, it's still dry. So that's why I'm saying don't let anyone just throw these away, because it could still catch on fire. This stuff is very tightly packed, the mugwort. And so make sure it's wet. This part is not wet. This part is. This is the one we doused. But when you break it open, and yeah, this is still dry. But this one does, or this time it did. So you're just pushing it out, just like the little turtle poking its head out, trying to see who's who. Get your lighter. But you only need, see how quickly that was? Yes, it was quick. Because remember, this mugwort burns faster with torch lighters. If you're gonna have a regular lighter, it's not gonna be that fast. No, it's not. It will take some time. The other lighters I just showed you. Now the bigger one is super overkill. It lights it even faster than that one. So you don't need much. And if you burn this too much and you put on somebody's skin, it's gonna burn. Right now, it's nothing. We're doing good. So right now, I'm just gonna put the mugwort back in the little hole. Close it down a little bit. The first one we're gonna go to in just a minute, but this is the one. This is one of my favorites because it's smaller. Get the neck area. This one you can't get the neck area too good doing it this way. But oh yeah, right there. But it gets as hot as the first one, just not that quickly. But you still have to keep it moving pretty fast because it gets warm. But it's a beast, all right? So from here, you might not want to just take it off from the top because the heat rises. You're still just gonna take it out from the bottom. So squeeze, pull, twist, pull, twist. Remember that finger has to go in there. Take it out. Because you don't want it to just fall straight down and hit something. Make sure you get it in. Move it up. There we go. Ta-da! We're ready to work. That neck area. Let's see. I feel it. It's warm. I can feel the heat, but it's not as hot as the first two. Because this one is a bigger chamber. The bigger chamber takes time to warm up, but it's like a nice pleasurable warm. It's not going to be burning hot, so you don't have to worry about it getting super scaldy. It feels good across the ridges. So like I said before, the little balls up top, the little beads, they move. The little ball bearings. I like the ball bearings because, man, when you're working on somebody, you can really kind of dig in there. That's why I like this one the best. It's my number one because you could feel the little ball bearings. Man, you talking about Valentine's Day? Oh, or any day. You should be treating your woman every damn day. But I'm just saying, it's like, wow, it's good stuff. And then you can roll. See, it's warm, but it's not like those two. The first two, they're warm. They get scaldy. They get nice and hot. But this one stays kind of like a consistent warm. And you can work through clothes with this one. I'm like, oh yeah. So you don't have to always get naked. Nope, I feel it. And you will too. Right on in. And the chamber can go either way. It both has ridges or the threads. It's gonna catch. You take your other cap or your head, the jade, twist it in there. You're not gonna burn yourself. So don't worry about, oh my God, I'm gonna hurt myself. No, you're not. My whole hand is over it. Even taking it off, putting your hand over it. It's warm, but you're not gonna burn yourself unless you touch it. So be careful. Okay, so now we work the face. Now you can do the roller or you can do the jade compressions for like your face for like acupressure points. pressure points period is going to work. So let's roll first. Oh yeah, see. Mm. It's like a treat, man. It's like, damn, what the hell? Why wasn't I doing this 20, 30 years ago? What the hell? I've been missing out on life. Top of the eye. On the upper eyelid. Mm-hmm. Best sleep ever. But like I said, it's sedative, it's seductive, and healing at the same time. It's like, to me, I like it. I wouldn't mind a treatment like this once a week, just to rebalance myself. Man, the world is crazy, times are crazy, but hey, I'm crazy too. So I'm gonna give crazy crazy. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna back down. I'm not gonna stop. And this is healthcare. This is self-care. And you are going to be the person that fights back just like I do. You're not gonna give up. You're not gonna quit. You're gonna let somebody tell you that who you can and can't date and what cereal to fucking eat or some shit like that. Like, damn, why ain't Popeyes serving dirty rice anymore? Like, what the hell? So I'm gonna learn how to cook dirty rice my own damn self. Fuck them. I don't need them anymore. You don't need anybody. When you're going through a hard time, tough times, whatever trials, tribulations, that just means it's preparing you for something greater, something bigger. This is just a rehearsal for my success. Your little troubles is just a fucking rehearsal for my success. This is nothing. So now, if you take it like that, you carry it like that, you know you're going to succeed. But if you think it's the end of the world because you're going through one or two problems, then damn, you might not need to live in this type of life, because the world is full of problems, and it's going to push you into something else. Like, wow, I'm glad I went through that because now I'm here. So problems are actually good. They are fuel to your fire. There's no one out here to put you out. There's no extinguisher for your life. There's always someone trying to actually ignite you. There's always someone trying to make you explode. But you stay calm as a bomb and just don't go off. That's all you do. You let them try to push your buttons, but they can't. They're just going to make you better. So do what you have to do. Be blessed, be safe, and don't take no shit from nobody. Be nice, be cordial, but always have a plan to kill all these motherfuckers for real, in your mind. I mean, kill them with kindness. I mean, kill them with financial wealth. Kill them with your expertise and your education. You show them your power, or fuck them up if they touch you. If they come in between you and your little don't, or your little, hey, no, don't cross this line. Defend yourself at all costs. Don't even let somebody get close to you. In arm's distance, nope, you're not even coming. I'm gonna punch you in your throat. Do what you have to do to defend yourself. You can always articulate that later in court. You get a lawyer, you got people. Like, you were defending yourself. You were defending yourself from harm. You helped save other people too, because that crazy fool was trying to fight anybody on the streets. I've seen him being aggressive driving, and now police are here. We stopped the madman or madwoman or whoever. So make sure you know how to articulate yourself when bad times come. You feared for your life. Hell, cops do it all the time, don't they? Shoot people in the back. Oh, I feared for my life. You say the same damn shit, and you'll get off, because those are words of defense. You have to protect yourself from the dark arts. And if you don't know how to, you'll always lose. Or most likely lose, not always. But protect yourself. Fuck them. Anybody who's giving you a hard time, kill them with kindness. Kill them with your promotions. Kill them with getting a new job. That job might not be for you. You may need to just move the fuck on. That's why they're giving you a hard time. And now you're in bigger and better. And you're so sad, oh my God, I can't lose this job. Yes, you can. You can lose idiots out your life. Is the easiest thing in the world. It's your ego that don't want to leave. It's your cushion, no. That's why you have a savings. That's why you are educated. You put money away. You got a 401. You got a thrift savings plan. You got backup. You ain't got no crazy ass kids or crazy ass husband. Hell, you live by yourself. Yo, go on a vacation and then come back. Revisit this. Times have changed to where everybody's having 3, 4, 5 kids for no damn reason, or just getting married because, oh, my mama told me to do. No. Live your life. Do what you have to do. Times are changing. Now, back in the day, my mom's generation, even in mine, it's kind of a little weird and fucked up because we all just thought family and this and got to do that. Not no more. You take care of you. You don't depend on anybody. So be blessed. I'm going to take a nap because I'm tired. And that was our Moxibustion class. Yes, Rhonda, I told him. So, yes, she's telling you to get the shot whenever you can. Please, sooner than later, help us all out so we can get to at least a new normal. Something to where we can get back to traveling. Because in the future, yes, they're going to start requiring you, even for passport, visa, you trying to come here in the United States or wherever, you trying to get a job. Oh, yeah, you're going to have your vaccination. I'm just warning you ahead of time. Please get vaccinated. If it's not for yourself, not for me, do it for your kids, do it for everybody else's kids, or people want to survive. Don't be that damn selfish. And if you are one of them selfish mother effers that's watching my channel, I don't got no words for you. No, you're not a part of. No, I can't defend you at all because it's just crazy to me. No, so please take care of us.